Hi, I'm Dana. Thanks for stopping by my unique YouTube channel, which revolves around my favorite topic, food, and cooking vegetarian, sometimes vegan dishes. But if you think that this is just another boring cooking channel, let me change your mind and show you how I differ from all the other cooking channels that are out there. First, I will demonstrate how to prepare a delicious and easy to make dish. I will also provide the total cost of each dish. And last, I will test your knowledge of nutrition and health in a segment called Did You Know? Oh, and one more thing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to indulge in content about nutrition and optimal health. Today, we are preparing a jumbo sweet potato burrito that's filled with fresh ingredients right out of the garden. Okay, maybe not the garden because it's winter here, but fresh vegetables nonetheless. Now, I'm not going to lie. The prep time for this burrito is a little lengthy, but that's because we use a variety of ingredients to make this burrito extra healthy. And trust me, the extra effort and time will be well worth it. And just to confirm, this is a vegetarian burrito, but you can easily make it into a vegan burrito by replacing the little butter that I use with vegan butter and skipping the aioli sauce. Okay, enough talking. Let's get cooking. Hi there. Sorry to interrupt your viewing, but I must explain something before you see the next photos. You see, as I was grilling my jumbo burrito, the lid of the grill slipped out of my hand and came crashing down onto it. The heavy weight of the lid flattened the burrito to a pancake, but yours will come out round, I promise. Okay, now that I got that off my chest, enjoy the flat jumbo burrito photos. Do you find yourself going to Chipotle, Burrito Boys, or Baja Fresh for your burrito cravings on a regular basis? Well, stop the insanity and start making delicious burritos at home. Before we continue, I want to point out two main benefits of making your own burritos. 1. You can add as much guacamole and other ingredients as you please at a minimal cost. And 2, you will save buckets of money over the span of just several years by eating in instead of out. Now keep in mind that food prices vary greatly across the country, so you might have to adjust my numbers a little, depending on where you live. But either way, you will be shocked at how much you can save by making a small change in your eating out habits. Let's check out the numbers, shall we? In today's Did You Know section, we will be learning about black beans. Nah, that's boring. Instead, let's look into my favorite herb, cilantro. Is coriander and cilantro the same thing? Let's just get this question out of the way. Although both cilantro and coriander come from the same plant, in North America, cilantro is the name of the plant's leaves and stem, while coriander is the name for its dried seeds. Cilantro is an annual herb, and all parts of the plant are edible, including the root. Okay, let's reveal 3 interesting facts about my favorite herb. Number 1. Despite people either loving or hating cilantro, it is the most widely eaten herb in the entire world. Even if you've never cooked with it before, you've probably eaten it, as cilantro is a dominant ingredient in cuisines around the globe. Number 2. It's also one of the world's oldest herbs and has been used since ancient times. The seeds of the plant, coriander, have been even found in ancient Egyptian tombs. If you are one of those cilantro lovers like me, you will be happy to hear that the herb has numerous health benefits. It contains many phytonutrients, which are plant-based compounds that have significant health-promoting properties. It's a powerful antioxidant, has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, is rich in several vitamins like A, C, and K, and it can lower your cholesterol. Before I call it a wrap, there's one tip that I want to share with you about keeping cilantro last longer. As you may know, fresh cilantro doesn't have a long shelf life after being pulled from the soil, and the aroma is completely lost when dried or frozen. So to maximize its freshness, place the cilantro in a jar of water and loosely cover the leaves with a plastic bag. Make sure to change the water every couple of days. And now you know. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more indulgent content about food and optimal health.